and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Capital One. Capital One is an American bank holding company specializes in credit cards, auto loans, banking and saving accounts. It is one of the largest banks in the United States and has developed a reputation for being a technologically focused bank. To sign up or register for Capital One for the first time, go to your web browser, type www.capitalone.com and enter. As soon as you do that, you'll reach the official website of Capital One. To sign up, click on Set up Online Access right below the Sign In button. To set up for online access, you'll need to fill in some information first. Start by providing your last name right here. Now type in your social security number or bank account number or tax ID number. Enter any one of those and enter your date of birth. First, select the month, day and year. After that, click on Find Me button. After you click on Find Me, you'll probably will be sent an email or text verification number depending on which one you chose while setting up your credit card account. So make sure you have access to one of those. In order to verify your access to your account, you'll need to do those things. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more updates and press the bell icon so that you'll get instant notification whenever we post a new video. I'll see you again with another tutorial soon.